Central government, they will be ready to hear our voice.
सर देखा जा रहा है उससे पहले भी बहुत लोगों ने डिमांड ये उठाया है और कुछ दिन पहले स्टूडेंट फेडरेशन ने भी किया है, तो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का क्या रिएक्शन है और ये जो डिमांड आप लोग कर रहे हैं इससे अगर बंगाली में होता है तो किस तरह का दिक्कत का सामना करना पड़ेगा इसके बारे में?
Maximum 99% people, the indigenous people and the student demand for Roman script because we can see clearly it affects and the phonetic and semantic of the language. Many languages we cannot write in Bengali script. So it is seen clearly that both in phonetic and semantic, the Bengali script affect the Kokborok language.
So you are demanding Roman script?
Yeah, we are demanding Roman script, and the government should fulfill our demands because maximum student, we can say 100% student are demanding Roman script for Kokborok. And if the government are not ready to hear our voice, I believe they are deaf because they should ask the students who are studying, but they are not taking a concern of student. The government, they are doing whatever they want. We believe our demand will be heard by the government of India. As we are meeting today the governor, we believe he will be very kindful enough to fulfill our demands.
अगर आपका ये जो डिमांड है अगर ये फुलफिल नहीं होता तो आप लोगों का अगली स्टेप क्या हो?
See, if the governor is also not taking a step, we will go to the government of India. We will write to the PM also, if possible, because the governor should listen. He should be very neutral and he should hear the voice of the students and the people, especially the native indigenous people of Tripura, because he is governor to all the people of the state. This should not be a one-sided governor. We believe the governor will be very kind enough to fulfill our demands.
अगर ये फुलफिल नहीं होता तो क्या होगा आपका अगली स्टेप?
Today, as we have planned to submit a memorandum, if any response is not given by the governor or the government officials, we are ready to go for a bigger movement. We may call a strike within white state also. That is our to go with a bigger step. Nirok energetic, they all movement no, especially student. Nirok kiria bukhak karake phama nirok na hambai. TSF ningai nirok na khak aham te chibai. Tini movement. Duduk mas hal rongoi 50 years. Tini demand. Kokborok language no. English alphabet. Hai ke Roman script by sugan ibagai tini demand. Jeng kamama bar movement khai kya. Tini bus jeng khai kya. Haifana kaisa one step saka thangman ingke jeng tini governor by personally jeng malai kya. Boni bagai omoni rong support. Nirok all movement no participate khai kya. Kaisa history o sujak nai. Nirok ulo sagai manai. Jefro Kokborok language hai ka Kokborok subject. Roman script hai ke English alphabet sujak nai. Nirok apro bunyo samanai. Seng no or demand no tobago. Seng TSF ikanaro nirok phage nirok tobago nirok samanai. Boni bagai nirok na hambai. Tini governor bo sak haya. Gobang ma borok bai malai ga tongmani bo malai liya. Hai pana seng TSF one of the oldest student organization. Bo seng bai malai ka. Omno TSF kan. Boni bagai जों खा थैथाय करै आं निरंनो कयनाय हमताय केनो निरक जोंनावबो सापर्ट खायदि जों जे मानसाक निरंनोबो सापर्ट खायनाय 2-3 मान बिसिंगो जोंनि डिमान्ड जों रिजाल्ट नायसिं दंगो पजिटिव जों खा खायगो बर' गभर्नमेन्ट अफिसियेल बे कक सानाय गवर्नर बु गभर्नमेन्ट अफिसियेल हायके जोंनि गभर्नमेन्ट अफ त्रिपुरानो रिंनाय बर' बे कक सानाय तमाबो इशू टेबल अफ प्लेस खायनाय अमंगा TSF नि डिमान्ड जों मानाय स्टूडेंट रो keep working hard keep working hard keep supporting don't lose heart nironi demand nironi right जों नांगाके सेगै मानानाय बनि बागै तेवैसा निरंना हामबाय TSF मेंगै नरना हामबाय all the student TSF long live TSF long live TSF long live thank you very much everyone हामबाय